Sammy Sosa, and I am back with another freaking video. So today, y'all, I have been inspired by two of my favorite YouTubers. Okay, the first one, the originator of this inspirational video is my friend. She don't even know she my friend, but my friend BRI Hall. Yes, that girl is dope. Let's just say that. And I'm unraveling my twist, sis. I was inspired to do this video because I have been looking for a protective style for my hair because I am always on the go and I'm tired of putting my fingers in my hair all the time so it can stay nice and neat. So she did some mini twists, friend. So I have never worn mini twists. I have worn my twists that I did for a twist out in public because who cares? It's my natural hair. If I want to wear it out, I'm going to wear it out, honey, in the twist. Ain't nothing ghetto about it, friend. And the other person that I saw was my girl, J-Lo Majette. Oh my goodness. I love y'all, girl. Y'all from the DMV. I'm from Michigan. Michigan. But yeah, I watched both of their videos and they were very dope. And I'm like, y'all, I need to do me some mini twists because this will save me at least a week's worth of time. All right, friend. So before we get into this video, what are you doing if you are already not a part of the SOSA Squad? Please hit that subscribe button because there was a reason why you clicked on this video. If you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. Yes, yes. Hit the notification bell. Yes, 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 yes. And don't forget to follow me on all social media, which will be left down in the description box, okay? So my hair is basically all ready to go in the twist. It's a little itchy. I don't know why my scalp is itching after I just shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair. Okay, so while I was in the shower, I moisturized and did all of the steps for my hair, okay? I probably wasted a bad and sad amount of water. I'm sorry, don't judge me. I was trying to hurry up and get all this done while I was in the water because when my hair dry up, I be with a spray bottle for dang hours. I'm trying to do these mini twists in an hour because, y'all, it's 12 o'clock. I gotta be up at 6:30, okay? I need to go to bed, okay? I always end up doing this to myself. I'm sorry, but I just really wanted to film this, and next week I will take these down, y'all. So I'm basically gonna talk to y'all. I'm not doing a voiceover. I might skip a few parts, like fast forward a few parts, but for the most part, I'm just going to talk to y'all because, y'all, I was just inspired by the whole setup of the video. And I just wanted to be like them when I grew up. So we just gonna do our thing. Okay, my eyes closed because I'm falling asleep. It's like, no. But let me wake up. So basically the products that I used to moisturize my hair were the Mielle Organics Pomegranate Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Boom. And from the same line, the Twisting Souffle. And I used those before, and I'm also going to use some oil to seal my hair. I haven't added the oil yet. So this is olive oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of tea tree oil. And I'm going to use this Mielle Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel, which I have never used. And it says it's supposed to enhance curl definition and moisture retaining formula made with honey and ginger. And yes, this is going to be my styler. Okay. Like I told you, I added the leave-in and the Twisting Souffle to my hair. I'm just going to add the gel. And matter of fact, sorry, I lied. Add some oil. Yeah. Add some oil. My hair is already detangled because I did all of this in the shower. Take about, let's see, probably gonna do 4 twists in each section. So mine might not be like mini twists, but they're gonna be mini enough for me, okay? Mini is whatever you define as mini, okay? It could be many, M-A-N-Y, and you could just pronounce it as mini. You can put M-I-N-I, like I'm doing, mini, or you can do shmini, mini, medium, mini, okay? So mine's a medium mini. So I'm taking about that much hair, okay? Each section. So I'm just gonna get this, put this to the side, yeah. I'm gonna add some of the gel. About that much of the snot. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna add it to this section, this piece of hair. This smells like flat Vernors, if you're from Michigan, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not, ginger ale, okay? So, yes. Catch this somewhere. This is gonna be forever. Okay, so got the gel. I'm just going to twist my hair. The gel is very lightweight, y'all. But yeah, I wanted to do this style, like I said, because I needed a protective style, something that would last, something that had some versatility to it. And y'all, I'm just going to live in the moment, start experiencing doing different things with my hair instead of the typical wear it in an updo, wash it at the end of the week, deep condition it, so forth and so on. So on and so forth, same old, same old. Step out of my comfort zone, do some different things, because life is too short to be wearing the same protective and hairstyle every week, okay? So, dang, where'd that piece go? Well, it disappeared. I'll find it. So y'all, how is life? How is life for you all? Because life for me right now is what my friend Raven Elise likes to call shambles. I don't know what I want to do in life. I'm working a 9 to 5. I absolutely love what I do, but it's not my end goal. It's not what I plan on doing in the future. Right now, what I plan on doing in the future, I am working hard on it. I could be working a lot harder, but I'm just living day by day, living life one day at a time, praying, trying to do right by God and do what I need to do to make sure I'm successful. Yeah, so if I was in college looking at today, would I have went to college? No. And y'all, if y'all just feel like this video is rambling, it is, okay? Because right now my hair smells like burners and I don't have anything else to do but talk to you all about what I'm going through, okay? I'm sitting here talking to my iPhone 7 Plus about what is going on in my life, okay? So I want to be more consistent with my YouTube channel. I am so grateful. Like, a lot of people who are like big on YouTube probably look at my channel like, oh, or not even people that are big on YouTube. A lot of viewers will look at my channel like, oh, you only have 22,000 subscribers. And sometimes I even look at my own channel like, you only got 22,000 subscribers. This ain't nothing. Then I think back, like, I remember when I didn't hit, or I couldn't wait to hit 100. And then when I hit 1,000, I just felt like everybody was watching me. And I felt like I had 1 million subscribers. And now I have 22,000 of you all viewing me, little old me, and I am just so freaking grateful for all of y'all. And we can only go up from there, even though some of y'all be letting me go and unsubscribing once I get to a nice milestone, be doing me bold. It's okay though, I still love you. I ain't got no hard feelings against none of y'all. But I'm just so grateful, and I can only see where I could be. Well, I can't wait to see where I'll be in a few months or in a year. But I'm really passionate about what I do. I love to be real. This is my outlet. This is where I could be myself, you know. And to me, I'm not trying to be like cocky or anything. I feel like I'm the same person on here and in real life. If you ever meet me, you gonna see, okay? And I can't wait to start meeting people and just take it all in, you know? But I just want to become more consistent, like I said before, in my channel. But I'm trying to find a comfortable schedule for me because, y'all, I do work 2 jobs. And if this was a job, this would be the 3rd one. So I am busy bee. I'm always on the move. There's no stopping me. You see I'm up and it's 12 o'clock. Okay, so I'm trying to be done my hair by 1. And yeah, so I want to become more consistent. And I'm thinking about uploading Mondays and Wednesdays. That's what I've been gearing towards. I wish I could do more, but the way my schedule is set up, I'm doing the best that I can. I plan on getting my platform higher on Instagram. Struggle bus right now for me. What do y'all like seeing me film? Do y'all prefer to watch me film the hygiene videos, or would y'all prefer to see me do my hair? Or what do y'all like to see? Because analytics show that y'all like hygiene 101 videos, which I really enjoy filming because there are people out here who do not know how to wash their punana or their behind. And if I can just help somebody with something as simple as washing their behind, that is enough for me, okay? And that might sound weird, but in all seriousness, people out here really need some help. And their parents doing them both, or some people may not feel comfortable with somebody telling them face to face. And in the virtual world, they feel like they can be themselves and comment and make me feel good. And that's another thing. Y'all comments, bruh. Sometimes I literally get tears in my eyes because I feel like nobody be watching me, you know? And when I get sweet comments like, you just made my day, or your goofiness is just like sunshine. I don't know, y'all. I'm sleepy and I'm just talking, but this is the sensitive side of me, you know? You won't get this often, so take it while you can. So y'all, but in all seriousness, I really do get inspired, and I love all of y'all so much. And if you're watching this video, you're a real one, because who's gonna sit here and watch somebody twist their hair and talk about nothing? You are. So I'm kind of boring. This video's been kind of boring. I just wanted to talk to y'all for a little bit. Let y'all get to know another side of me. I can calm down sometimes, y'all. Everybody think I just be on tip 25/9. That's just me 24/7, say no. But y'all, I can be chill, I can be serious. I am pretty, I ain't no laid back. Let me stop lying. I am just, I guess, energized most of the time. Like, I'm always amped up for the most part, naturally bubbly. But if I don't know you, and if I feel funny in a situation, if the vibe is just off, I can be a mute.
Safety, so I don't go shooting where you hurt me. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making me. And there's a whole lot of love ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. It's just too beautiful where we don't wanna taste it. It's just too beautiful where we don't wanna face it. But I think there's some kind of love, baby. Drip, drip, there's the type of love, baby. Drip, 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 I know you, it's big enough, baby. Drip, drip, it's big enough, baby.
My tweets are getting off. My head is
I think the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Now we're gonna okay, oh yeah, I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe
my ditzy dumb self forgot to add oil to every section except the first one, so I'm gonna do that real quick now. And I did see, sorry if the water is on, I did experience a little breakage in the back of my hair and on the side somewhere, but I ain't tripping. It'll go back. It's hair. It will come back. This didn't take me that long to do, about an hour and 10 minutes. So not too bad. So yes, SOSA SQUAD, love my twists. They are so nice and so juicy. Flocka, 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 time. But yeah, I'm about to hit the sack. This will last me a few days. So yeah, tomorrow morning I'm gonna lay my edges and I'm gonna show you when they dry, if I remember. Y'all, I be forgetting to show y'all the next morning. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is my hair. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was satisfying to you to watch. If that is all, please hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Notification bell. Hit and follow me on all social media. I love you all. See you in my next video.